Hi and welcome. Meet the latest Hisense built-in oven with 77 liters of capacity and 21 different operational modes. The ultimate solution for your cooking needs. It is sleek, it is great looking and performs amazingly. With a range of features designed to make your cooking experience effortless and efficient, this oven is a must-have for any kitchen. And it is entirely made in Europe, meaning developed, designed, and manufactured. Thanks to the seamless design, this oven is a perfect addition to any home. With its all-black glass appearance, full touch control operations, and overall premium look and feel, this oven is guaranteed to turn an eye. Because of its supersized cavity and special air circulation, you can bake on 5 different levels simultaneously and flavors won't mix. The Hisense advanced Even Bake technology ensures that your food is always cooked evenly and to perfection, while the Steam Add Plus feature allows you to add moisture to your dishes for enhanced crispiness and texture and for a truly crispy and airy bread. The Air Fry program is also worth mentioning, giving you the ability to fry your favorite foods with no need for oil. With a specially designed mesh tray, you can see it up here on the top, which enables amazing heat circulation, air-fried food never tasted better. It also has a pizza mode, which is another stellar program, enabling you to make your own Italian-style pizza with temperatures reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, which will make the dough crispy and nice without soaking in tomato juice. Multi-phase cooking is made easy with our new user interface. With an impressive memory, you can program up to 2 steps during the baking process, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every single time. The steps you have set will switch automatically, let's say from the lower to the upper heater or from a small grill to the end, without your additional help. Just pay attention to the sound at the end that your dinner is ready. Fast preheat is another impressive feature, allowing the oven to reach a temperature of up to 200 degrees centigrade in just 5 minutes. That is 30% faster than without this feature. This means you can start cooking your favorite dishes even faster. Auto or automatic programs, these are my favorite, include 22 unique recipes to choose from, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection. All you need is to choose a recipe and enter the weight of your dish. Based on that, this oven will automatically set the right temperature, turn on the right programs, and calculate the exact time needed for your food to be perfect. This oven has a supersized capacity of 77 liters, which is 10% larger than standard ovens and provides plenty of space for all your culinary creations. And with fully extendable telescopic guides, checking the temperature or stirring ingredients is an effortless and simple process, thanks to sliding pans that move smoothly in and out from the oven. But that's not all. This Hisense built-in oven is also connected, allowing you to remotely monitor and control your oven from your smartphone or tablet with the Connect Life application. In short, you can just track and control the cooking process, get the notifications for it, preheat the oven, transfer the recipe settings directly into the oven, and much more. Cooking has never been this convenient. The pyrolytic self-clean function is there as well, with super user and pyrolytic-friendly telescopic guides, which just means you don't need to remove them while running the self-clean program. And soft closed doors, they're just some of the things that are worth mentioning. There's more, trust me. Thanks for watching.